let's say you're on MetaMask. So, because MetaMask allows a lot of manipulations. It allows you to add new chains, new block chains, new network chains. So, this is the first thing to do. You come to your browser. There's this website called Chainlist. You can see the name is even straightforward. Chainlist.org. What it does is that it gives us list of blockchain networks. So it's just like chain listing chains. So there are a lot of chains there, over 120 chains, where you can add up networks. So now let's do this. You connect your wallet. All right, it's showing now. You must see this, else you don't proceed. Then you now search the chain you're going, which we are going to Nova. That's it. You see Arbitrum Nova. So you add. It's going to ask you a question. Okay, you see approve. So do you want to switch to it? Yes. Switch to the network. So now I'm on Arbitrum Nova. You can see it there. So if I want to access anything now, I can easily access it on this chain. So now I just want to take us through their NFTs. Not only accessing Nova chain, but their NFTs precisely. Their NFTs have been catching my attention. So there are two popular places. There might be others that I'm not aware of currently, but I'm aware of Stratos and I'm aware of Tofu. So they built a different URL instead of stratosnft.io. You have to add Nova dot to it so that it will lead you directly to this particular chain. So you see, layer 2 is here. Explore NFTs. There are beautiful NFTs there, and they're still very cheap. So let me take us through this. I want to buy some NFTs. These are their top NFTs. Space Greens, Nova Ape. I love this one too. So I just want to look for one that is very cheap for the purpose of our class. Look at this. If this is verified, just imagine. Just 999, 1,000 total supply. Still very cheap. I'm looking for something that I think I can afford with my little gas, just for the purpose of this class. So, Tofu NFT thing.com. See, I love Tofu too. It's one of my best NFT marketplace because it's but lots. There's a place you can switch your chain. You come. So I'm on Arbitrum Nova. So on Arbitrum Nova, this is Tofu NFT marketplace. So you see, same NFTs on Stratos. You can also see on Tofu almost all. So you can view all at once. You see the list of them. Trending Nova Ape is the top here with $344 trade. So it's not that much. So you can see it's a new place. See their floor prices. You see 1.3, 11.4, 1.7, 6.4. They're still so cheap and their total supply are so low that it's a breeding ground. It's a place one can quickly, opt in and take advantage of. It's 33 cents. What project is this? X Hunters. Some of them you may need to check their, Twitter link to see how they are faring. How many trades so far? It's 6 traded. Volume still very cheap. So let me just pick one and see how it works. Okay. Fresh metadata so that I can see it. Okay. I'm expecting it to show So it should show anytime soon, or probably when you get to my NFTs. So this is expensive. I'm looking for a cheaper one. So let me get back there. So instead of picking up the newest, I'll now come to this place. I'll pick from to it will be arranged from the lowest to the highest price. So let me see how that works. All right, so I can see the cheaper ones now. Refresh metadata, it should show anytime soon. So you see 33 cents, so I can pick it up. So I buy. And that's it. So the gas is very cheap. It's you can buy with gas as low as 0.00001. That's 5 zeros or 4 zeros, then followed by 1 or 2. So I succeeded in this. This might be a malfunctioning or network issue, but by the time I refresh, instead of waiting, I will refresh and I will see that it has changed from buy now to list. That means I don't need to buy it again because I've been charged for it. You see, this is my name. So now I can fix it and say I want to resell whatever price, sell your NFT. So I can sell it whatever price I want. I remembered buying it at 0.03. So let me sell at 0.004. So I'm starting to list it right now. Trying to list it right now. So sign, because I've approved already, so no need to approve again. So sign. So once I sign, you see the change there. So what I just bought, I have listed again. So listing your NFT, your item is already listed, you can see. So it will be on the list of all the items. From this, you click on item, means you want to see your own NFTs. So you want to see your own NFTs. So you can see a lot of your NFTs. I have a lot of NFTs here. And so I pick what I just listed. I can see it. In case I want to, reduce it, I can reduce the value. So it happens that way too. You can reduce if you want. You can just come to change price. So let's say you want to change the price. So you can just come on change your price. Or I remember listing it at 0.04. So I can change it to 29. Probably I want it to be picked earlier and to, be on the list of the lowest, value. So done, I've changed it. So if I go there now, it should be on the lower list. So for easy or quick pickup, for easy and quick pickup. So 2.9. So after this have been crushed. So assuming there is a huge prospect on this NFT, one thing I'm very sure, okay, so this is what I just did. So that's just how to access Nova Chain, particularly in the aspect of their NFTs. So I showed us Stratos and Tofu NFT. So I wish you good luck as you enjoy this chain. How do you get access to this place? Let me round up with this. You come to this place called Arbitrum.finance, because I know some will be wondering, okay, how do I move my funds to Nova Chain? How do I get into that Nova Chain? I need a token, I need Ethereum on Nova Chain. What do I do? Okay, now you can buy Ethereum on any exchange, Binance or whatever, and withdraw to your wallet. Then go to Arbitrum.finance. So when you get there, you now select, okay, you want to transfer your ETH. This is what I do for easy movement. Those who are minding their gas fee, you can buy Matic from Binance or from any exchange. You move it to your normal wallet on MetaMask. So when you move your Matic, swap your Matic to Ethereum. So that's wrapped Ethereum, WETH, WETH. Then you now swap it. You can say you are moving from where, from which chain, from Polygon. Okay, then to what chain? Now select Arbitrum Nova. Okay, the minimum, let's say for example, the minimum is 0.05 to bridging into this, and you can also bridge out. Let's say you sold or you just want to leave, just swap and bring this to this. So whatever chain, or you want Ethereum directly, just do it. That's how to access the chain. Then before you know, you just come to your wallet and you begin to see your balance on Nova. So you see your balance and use it to buy NFTs on Stratos and Tofu. So that's how it works.